Hello everyone. So we will start with the topic, right? And the topic is AP. AP, that is arithmetic progression. Okay. So as we know in NTSC there are so many questions are related to arithmetic progression. Not only in mathematics section as well as in math section also we can see so many questions related to arithmetic progression, right? So first we need to know that what is arithmetic progression, right? So arithmetic progression is a type of series, right? There are so many type of series. For example, we can write like 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, and so on, right? So as we can see here is a fixed pattern they are following, right? 1 square, then 2 square, then 3 square, then 4 square, and so on, right? So series is something which is so many terms are in series if they follow a same pattern, right? So here 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, dash, 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 so on, right? For example, 1 cube, 2 cube, right? 3 cube, 4 cube, and so on. This is also a type of series. But when it comes to a specific series, which is we called arithmetic series, right? Arithmetic series is something in which the consecutive terms have same difference. For example, if we are writing like that, right? 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on, right? As we can see, if the difference between these two terms is 5 minus 3, which is equals to 2, right? Then the difference between these two terms is 7 minus 5, 2. Difference between these two terms is 9 minus 7 equals to 2, right? So as we can see in arithmetic progression, the difference between two consecutive terms, right? That should be same. Okay, in that case, we can say that this series is called AP, that is a arithmetic progression. Okay, so arithmetic progression is a type of series in which the difference between two consecutive terms, right, always remains same. Okay, we can consider a next example like that: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on, right? It can be extend more. Okay, another example we can take like that: 18, right? 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, right? In that case, difference is, okay, the difference is plus 2, right? In each term, we are doing plus 2. So the difference is plus 2. But when it comes to this series, we can say minus 2, right? We can check now minus 2. The next term we will get after we minus 2 in the previous term, right? So what is this? This is called first term of an AP, right? When we're writing a AP or a series na, so we start with the first term. It is represented by A is denoted as first term of an AP, and the difference, this difference, okay, this difference is called common difference and denoted by a small d. Okay, similarly here the first term A is equals to 18, okay, and the common difference is minus 2, that is D is equals to minus 2. Okay, is minus 2, right? Uh, Now we further discuss about nth term of an AP. Okay, nth term of an AP. Okay, so what is the meaning of nth term of an AP, right? So when we are writing an AP, right, arithmetic progression, we are writing like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, right? And someone asking us that what will be the 32th term of this AP, right? If someone asking me that to tell me what will be the 32th term of an AP, what I will do? That I started writing like the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, like that. No, na? There is a formula for the nth term of an AP, right? We will use the formula that is nth term on AP. What is this? Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. As we know, here A is what? First term, right? And D is what? Common difference. Okay, and n is what? Number of terms. Number of terms, right? If someone is asking me that T32, right? Tell me the T32 is what, correct? So if we consider this AP, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. As we can see, A is 2, right? And D, common difference, that is 2. Okay, and n is what? Number of term, right? Which term we want to know? 32th term, right? So n is 32 here, right? So what we will do? Write 2 plus n minus 1, 32 minus 1 into d. D is what? 2, right? D is what? 2. Okay. So next, 2 plus 31 into 2, right? 32 minus 1 is 31. 31 minus 2 is 31 into 2, right? That is 2 plus 31 into 2, right? So 6 and 1 to 62, correct? That we will get 64. Okay. So by this formula, we did not write the whole expansion, the whole series, nothing. We just need to apply this formula and get the answer. Okay, so that is the formula we used to find the nth term of an AP, right? Next one is if we are talking about like 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. And someone asking me, tell me the sum of 10 terms of is this AP, right? There are so many terms in this AP, but someone asking me that tell me the sum of 10 term of this AP, right? What we will do? We use the formula of sum of n terms, that is Sn, right? Sn is what? N by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so what is Sn? Sum of n terms. Sum of n terms, right? And n is what? Again, number of terms. Number of terms, right? A is first term. Okay, A is first term. D is common difference. Got it? Right? So let's get example. If we want to sum of 10 terms, right? If we want sum of 10 terms, right? So what we can do, just apply the formula as 10 is equals to 10 by 2 bracket 2. A is what? 2, right? Plus n is what? 10 minus 1 is 2, correct? So 2, 10, 5 times. 2 2s are 4 plus 10 minus 1 into 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into 2, correct? So 5 bracket 4 plus 9 into 2, 18. And 18 plus 4 is what? 22. 22. 5 is 110. 110 will be the answer. We got the values now by applying just the formula, right? So 110 we get, right? So again, we will revise all of these things. What is the arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a type of series, okay? Is a series. And what is series? Series is something in which the terms following a fixed pattern, okay? If in the series, the consecutive terms have the same difference, right? Just, for example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and like that. That will be called a arithmetic progression. What is called? Okay. So arithmetic progression is what? The series which have consecutive terms have same difference. Okay, got it? And when it comes to nth term of an AP is what formula we will use? Tn a plus n minus 1 into d. For example, if there is written as 2, 4, 6, 8 or something, for example, we are taking a1, a2, a3, a4 and so on, right? So we can write a2 is what? A plus d. Yes or no? We can write it now. A1 plus D. A1 plus D, we can get A1 plus D is equals to A2. Why it is? For example, T2, right? A2 is what? Second term of an AP, right? So A1 is first term plus 2 minus 1 into D. What we will get? 1 into D, that is equals to A1 plus D. Correct or not? Right? So if we are talking about A3, okay, A3 can be written as A1 plus 2D, right? If we are talking about A4, A1 plus 3D, right? It's a short form, right? We can directly find out that A4, A5, A6, and so many things if we know the value of D and A. Okay, so got it. So that's the whole thing which we will discuss further. Also, there are so many different examples and different questions based on this particular topic. There are so many series we will use to describe math section also. Not only mathematics, we will discuss arithmetic progression. We will use the same all of these basic terms like Tn formula, Sn formula, and all of these things we will discuss in med section also. Okay, so one more thing I can tell you that Sn is equals to n by 2, right? 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? One more thing, we can change the formula in something else also, like n by 2 is as it is 2a, right? 2a can be written as a plus a, yes or no? Yes, of course we can write it like that. Okay, 2a can be written as like that, and this we already know, this is equals to tn, yes or no? Yes, this is equals to tn, so we get an another formula also, right? A plus an. Okay, in that case we didn't have the value of d, right? We have a first term, we have nth term, right? Nth term can, okay, we have nth term, right? In that case also we can find sum of n terms, right? If we didn't have d. Okay, so these two formula we can use to find the sum of n terms. Okay, so thank you so much. We will discuss further in next lecture. Okay.